Here I have XIAOMI Mi A2 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, just go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. Tap on it once and you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions for this mode. Could be calls from anyone, from contacts only, from steered contacts only, or from nobody. Here you can steer contacts. There's also an option repeat callers. If the same person calls the second time within 15-minute period, this call will add it to the exceptions too. The same goes for messages. You can also add to exceptions like alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, events. You can restrict notifications, you can restrict only sound notification, you can restrict visuals and sound notifications, and you can customize restrictions here. You can set default duration of this mode, and you can also add a schedule. You can pick days on which this schedule will be active. You can select the start time, the end time. You can enable this alarm can override end time. You can select the Do Not Disturb mode's behavior, and you can change its name too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.